have a client to do in the morning. It's very early, 6 a.m. I have to be there at 6 a.m. all the way in Jersey. So we need to go downstairs to the makeup studio. The makeup studio is a mess. We have brushes to clean, makeup to pack up and organize, and basically just get ready for this gig. Let's go. It's a traveling MUA vlog. The mess. It's quite a mess. Okay, so we're gonna get cleaned up.
Since we last kicked it, and by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna deep, 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 to rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby.
All right, guys, I am in the car. I got the car all loaded up. Everything is back there. I am definitely not in uniform. I could not find no black clothes. So I kind of just threw on my black Adidas sweats and my pink hoodie, because I normally wear all black to my gigs just because that's just the unwritten rule. But that's okay, it's mad early. Like, this is a house call, and yeah. Hey guys, so I just got back home. It's like 10 a.m. My client did not want to be filmed, but I will insert a picture of her, a before and after picture. And I just wanted to quickly come show you guys my baggage. Can y'all see? I'll have to take this down. So when I travel, I always travel with my chair, my light, and my makeup bag behind me. Let's see if you guys see. Right there's my makeup. And my camera case. So I'm always like bag lady when I have a travel gig, and people, my clients are always like, oh, can I help you? And I'm just like, no, because I don't want nobody to break anything, and then I'm gonna have to ask them to pay for it. So I just do everything myself. I pack up myself, I set up myself, and I may let someone carry my chair if they like insist, but other than that, definitely not my light, definitely not my camera bag, and obviously not my makeup. But that is that. I got me a bacon, egg, and cheese. I'm about to go crush that and go to sleep, hopefully. I'm gonna watch the haves and have-nots, and hopefully that doesn't keep me up for too long. But today, on today, y'all remember Atia? She'd be like, on today, if that's if you a real old school YouTube head, if you know Atia. On today, we are going to be reorganizing my inventory. Is a mess of inventory. I have like everything just like it's a mess. Okay, because I've had a pop-up shop literally last month and I just haven't reorganized everything. So we're gonna do that today.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 baby.
like the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride.
So right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you
slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal.
And I woke up to a text from a client asking to come get their makeup done. I am registered on Google, so a lot of times people just text me, like, hey, how's your Google? Can I come? And I'm like, yeah, come on. Wait, what? Oh no! Oh no! Guys, my client's texted me and she says she fell. Someone spilled water, didn't clean it. I fell as I was leaving about 40 minutes ago. I hurt my knee. They're trying to wrap it now. They're also trying to get me a car to get home. We'll message you when I get to Brooklyn. Okay guys, so my client is still coming. I think her school sent her and got her an Uber, so she said she's still coming because she has an award dinner to go to and she's not gonna miss it. So she's still coming. She's running a little bit later than she wanted to, but she's still coming to get her makeup done. She wrapped up her knee, she iced it. Obviously I told her to rest, elevate, compress, all that, and ice. But yeah, I'll see if she wants to be on camera, but I know she's already running behind, so I might just get her face done and let her be on her way. In the meantime, I have kind of set up, don't mind my pink box up there, I was using it to prop up my camera. I pretty much am set up. I'm about to charge my phone. These lashes could go away. She's not using lashes. I'm gonna refill my alcohol bottle. I'm gonna refill that. This can go away. This is where I keep my dirties.